we have to start from the topic 19.4, that is cumulative frequency, right? So
Yes.
first of all, you can obtain important information about frequency distribution by keeping a running total of the frequencies. So the total of frequencies is very important for solving different type of examples, right? This is known as cumulative frequency, as we have used in previous questions as well. A graph of these running totals known as cumulative frequency. So this column is basically known as cumulative frequency, in which the first frequency is as it is, the second one is the sum of these two frequencies, the third one is sum of first three frequencies, the fourth is sum of first four frequencies, right? So this is the column of the cumulative frequencies. Is a convenient way of determining the median and the quartile of the distribution. From these, the interquartile range can be calculated. So this is important for finding the median as well as for interquartile range also. And you have seen that for interquartile range, first of all, you have to find the lower quartile, median, and then upper quartile. For after finding the upper and lower quartile, then you can find interquartile range, right? Do you have any problem?
No.
Okay, next is the example. The ages of the teachers on the staff at uh, school are shown in table as 20 to 30 years old has staff 14, and 30 to 40 years old staff is 31 teachers, 40 to 50 years staff is 13 teachers, and also 50 to 60 years staff is 12 teachers, and 60 to 70 years staff is 2 years old, 2 teachers. So now draw a cumulative frequency table for these data. So first of all, you have to find the cumulative frequency table for this data. Construct a cumulative frequency graph and use it to find values for the median, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile. So after that, we have to find the values of median, lower quartile, and upper quartile. Give the interquartile range. After finding the value of upper quartile and lower quartile, we have to just subtract these two values to find the interquartile range, right? And estimate the number of teachers who are older than 45. So this is the party. So first of all, we have to find cumulative frequency. For cumulative frequency, we have to start from 0 to onwards. So 0 to 20 has 0 frequency, then 0 to 30, then 0 to 40, 0 to 50, 0 to 60, and 0 to 70. I have also explained that the cumulative frequency is first is as it is, second one is the sum of first two, the third one is sum of first three frequencies, the fourth one is sum of first four frequencies. So first is as it is 14, next one is 14 plus 31, that is 45. Next one is 14 plus 31 plus 13, that is 58. Next one is 14 plus 31 plus 13 plus 12, that is 70, and next one is 72, right? So this is the cumulative frequency table. Zero staffs are 8 under 20 to 20. 14 staffs are aged 20 to 30. 31 staffs are aged 30 to 40. So the cumulative frequency is total 45. So this is the basic reason for this 45, right? Next one is just keep adding each additional frequencies on the running total as you go down in column. So after that, we have to draw the graph of the cumulative frequency. So you can see that first one is this 20 to 30, so that will be 14. Next one is onward, so this is basically the values for the graphs, right? So first one you can see that 0, second one is 14, third one is 45, next is 54, 58, next is 70, and then 72, right? So after that, we have to just join these points to get a curve, and that curves will be smooth. So that's why this is a cumulative frequency graph. Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. So after that, we have to find the median. So you can see that the total cumulative frequency is 72. It means that you can draw a line and total values are 72. What is the central value? That is 36 plus 1, because the median has the formula n plus 1 over 2 term, right? So n is 72. It means that 72 plus 1 over 2, that will gives us 36.5. Okay, so it means that 36.5th term is basically your median term. So you can see that this is 35, and where the 36th term is involved in this line, so it means that your median is at that range from 0 to 40. So 0 to 40 is this one. So from 0 to 40, because this is cumulative frequency, where is the cumulative frequency for this class? That is 45. So you can see that 45 is this one. So this is your uh, 45 graph, but you have to find the median. So first of all, this is your median for this graph. Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay, after that you can see that this is your first term, this is your median, and the center of the first term and median is first quartile, and the median and the last term center is your upper quartile. So here we have the upper quartile, that is this orange line that cuts the curve, and the next one is the purple line that cuts the smooth curve. So this is your lower quartile. After that, we have to find the interquartile range in part C. So you can see that the upper quartile is 48, the median is 37, and the lower quartile is 32. And you can also see that this we are dealing with the continuous data. So this is not the exact values. This is just an estimate, right? So the interquartile
Yes,
range will be, sorry.
I don't understand how you got the values for the upper and lower quartile.
Okay, we have to find the values of upper and lower quartiles, as because this is median and this is last value. So for upper for the lower quartile, you have total 36 terms. So it means that 0 to first of all n plus 1 over 2. The lower quartile is basically the median of 0 to the central value. So that will be equals 36 plus 1 over 2. It will be equals to 37 over 2. And what is your answer? That will be equals 18 point something. It means that where is the values 18 point something? 18 point something value is given in that class. Why? Because its cumulative frequency is 14, that is less than 18.5, and the next one is 45, that is far away from this range. Okay, so you can see that the lower quartile, according to the graph, this is your median, and from median to the 0, the central value will be this one according to the estimate. And when we plot a horizontal line on y-axis and vertical line on x-axis, you can see that it will be like 32. So that's why it is its lower quartile. For upper quartile, you can see that this is the highest value and this is the median, and you can see that the total values of frequencies are 72, but the highest number of frequencies are